Let's talk about some of the properties of carboxylic acids. We're going to look at two properties of carboxylic acids. And we're going to start by talking about their boiling points. In general, carboxylic acids have high boiling points. You probably imagine that because they have the ability to hydrogen bond, and you know that that's a very strong intermolecular force, and that causes them to, anything that can hydrogen bond has a high boiling point, high melting point. Carboxylic acids are unique in the way that they hydrogen bond to each other. They hydrogen bond to each other in pairs. Carboxylic acids hydrogen bond in pairs, and these pairs of hydrogen bonded carboxylic acids are called dimers. And I'm going to draw a picture of what that actually looks like. This is actually problem from your sapling homework. This is problem 9 from the chapter 21 part 1 problem. So it gives you this carboxylic acid and it asks you to draw the dimeric association between two of these carboxylic acids. So what we're going to do is draw the other carboxylic acid that belongs to this dimer. When carboxylic acids hydrogen bond to each other, they are bonding the carbonyl of one bonds to, or hydrogen bonds to, the hydroxyl group of the other. So they orient themselves like this. Again, where the OH group from one is attaching itself to the, or bonding itself to the carbonyl group of the other. And then the remaining R group of this molecule, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I think I have the right number of carbons there. So they always associate with themselves like this. And with sapling, sapling specifically wants you to illustrate that hydrogen bond. So it tells you, it instructs you to create a bond where the hydrogen bond would exist. But then it wants you to highlight that bond yellow to show that you know it's a hydrogen bond, not an actual bond. So this right here is what the dimer looks like. And this very strong connection between these two carboxylic acids causes them to have a very high boiling points. And just to give you some data, propanol, which is also capable of hydrogen bonding with a molecular weight of 60, has a boiling point of 98, which is pretty high. A carboxylic acid with the same molecular weight, because remember the mass of the molecule is a factor in boiling point as well. So carboxylic acid that has the same molecular weight has a boiling point of 119. So that is quite a bit higher, pretty different.